पता चला आप बिल्कुल उर्दू बोलती नहीं हैं, उर्दू समझ लेती हैं एंड यू आर लीडिंग अ टीम जिसमें डाइवर्स पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ इलाकों से, शहरों से, तबकों से, देयर गर्ल्स देयर, देयर वुमेन एथलीट्स देयर. हाउ डू यू लीड देम?
Yeah, it's it's been a challenging, right?
हाँ.
And I think it's something that has taken me time to grow into, right? I've made mistakes leading the team. I've messed up. I've learned from those mistakes, but I think what's been so special is that I've had a group of young girls and women that have supported me throughout the way and helped me identify my leadership style, which growing up and playing football for a very long time, I've seen so many different leadership styles and working in an office, right? And living that corporate life, I also saw a lot of different management styles. So I think for me to be able to kind of pick up best practices from the different places and different experiences I've had and try to create my own style has been challenging. But I think having that support group around me to allow me to make mistakes, allow me to be vulnerable, has been such a beautiful opportunity and beautiful experience.